Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your October read. Let's see what's coming up in October for you, what are the energies which are available, and how you can use this reading to have a beautiful month ahead. And these are general collective readings, Leo, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Leo gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most to have a wonderful month of October. Thank you. All right, Leo, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And newbies, if you're here for the first time, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, so Leo, are you a little sad right now? Certain things didn't pan out the way you wanted them to? One second. Hermit sent bottom of my deck, Leo, for you. Let's see what's going on. From what I feel, Leo, this is your current energy. You're still kind of living in the past, and not just living in the past. There's a lot of sadness, there's a lot of regret about certain things which didn't happen for you the way you expected them to. Maybe there was an offer which either was rejected, either you rejected it or somebody else rejected it. There's a little boredom, coming out of boredom, sadness, feeling left behind, feeling lack, feeling sad. But in October, from what I see, this is current and this is past energies, right? But coming up in October, I do see some working on something diligently to make it happen. So if you're feeling in a bit of a funk right now, Leo, this is it. October is going to get you back into action and back into positive movement, which you may not be feeling right now as I'm doing the reading. You could still be like looking at the past and saying, oh, I wish that had happened. I wish that had, not gone away like that. Or I wish I had accepted something, or somebody else had accepted something which didn't work out. There's still a little lingering feeling of sadness here. But October seems to be, again, getting you back on track. Whether this is work or we'll figure it out, don't worry. I'm going to, before I open and clarify all these cards, Leo, I'm going to start with a Ganesha Oracle card for you. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has for the month of October for my lions and my lionesses. So Lord Ganesha, for my Leo gang, please. Embrace. You get the card of Embrace, Leo, which is, let me read, it's number 11. It's basically to get out there and interact with other people, from what I feel. 11. And not stay in hermit mode. It's time to get out of hermit mode. 29. Okay. Believe in yourself and others to discover a deeper importance of your being, Leo. Recognize that your interactions with others are important. You could have been in this stage for too long, keeping yourself in hermit mode, feeling sad and lonely and upset. So we're saying that way you can have a beautiful October now is start to embrace life once again. Ganesha is encouraging you to maintain a compassionate heart, be nurturing towards yourself and others. There will be a lot to be gained from seeing things from a practical or down-to-earth perspective when it comes to dealing with others or pertaining to your present circumstance. Focus on creating a balanced life for yourself. Remember that more can be accomplished when you are serene. Be imaginative and helpful. Deal with issues as they arise. Keep your wits about you while you determine the best course of action and seek simple solutions to fix the problems with minimal fuss. Look at this person working on one problem at a time, day by day, instead of, feeling overwhelmed with, I don't know what. Depending on the relationship of the people involved, A hug can symbolize familiarity, love, affection, and friendship. A person may just hug another to show support, comfort, or to console. There is an exchanging of energy that takes place as you give and receive at the same time. Okay, so I think it's time to come out of this hermit mode. That's what I'm trying to, that's what I'm feeling from seeing all these cards in a row with the hermit card and Lord Ganesha then requesting my Leo gang to start kind of bonding with other people as exchange of energy, one way or the other. If you don't have anybody, maybe you have a pet. Okay, a little bit of cuddle time would actually make you feel more serene and happy. It's called therapy, right? So let's start your reading and see what October is going to bring. So first I just want to take a 2-minute thing to see why you're feeling in the Five of Cups. Why is Leo in the Five of Cups energy spirit at the moment? Why are they looking back? Oh, there was a loss of something that you really loved. Maybe you couldn't make up your mind, or maybe somebody else didn't make up their mind. Feeling not appreciated, not liked, not loved. Feeling a loss of, yes, the human interaction, or feeling appreciated basically. Somebody is like really wondering that where is life now? Where is love? What excites me now? Nothing has really worked out in the past for me. So if that's what you're going through right now, Leo, well, things are going to change, I think, in October with the Eight of Pentacles. What happens with it in the recent past with the Four of Cups? Four of Cups. You took some time out. Maybe there was a lot of stress, anxiety, and it put you in a place where you were feeling a bit of lack, feeling isolated from others. Again, hermit, right? Feeling a little unappreciated, unloved, feeling in lack. This could be where business is concerned. Maybe, work was not doing well, which is worldwide for everyone, I feel, with all this pandemics going on. People, and even in love, maybe, people are at a distance and unable to meet each other now. So there's been that lingering feeling of feeling in lack. So I do expect it to change, because now the October energy is the Eight of Pentacles. So Spirit, what can we expect now for Leo in October? Justice. Justice. You're going to start, or you will start seeing things from a different perspective. It's like, I love the saying which says, what was it? Give me a second. Something about intention goes where action goes, or something like that. Basically, whatever you focus on is going to grow more. So I think on October there's going to be a mind change, about the way you see your life. Instead of focusing so much on the past, I have a feeling you're going to bring back justice to your life by actually start to think about progress. Like Lord Ganesha says, tackle one problem at a time, one day at a time, and soon the past will be exactly where it's supposed to be, in the past. So what else is coming up for October for Leo Spirit? You'll be making a decision. This standing for so long in indecision and no man's land, basically this is, I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know which direction to go anymore. I'm feeling sad. I'm feeling lonely. I'm feeling lack. October will get you back into centering yourself. You will make that one choice, one decision, and yes, there's progress going to start happening once again. Justice, balance will be restored because of your change of perspective. Some enlightenment that you will have as to, well, this is the way I can see things, or this is the way I can see things. It's almost like bringing justice back to your own life by changing your mindset. So, what should Leo hold on to? The Emperor. Yes, you should. This is a person who has their life in control. They take charge. An emperor takes charge and says, hey, listen, I'm the emperor. I decide. This is the way I want to rule me and my own life first before I, bother about anything else. So this is, an emperor is what spirit is saying, hold on to this feeling. Leo, you're powerful, you are a lion. You're a lion. I mean, most powerful animal in the jungle, right? So it's time now to take back that power. Start feeling in control and start taking control of your own life once again. So give me a clarifier, spirit, for the emperor, please. Why should Leo hold on to this feeling of being an emperor? Because it's time now to get out of this hermit zone. This was our overall energy of too much of thinking and too much of alone time. It's time now, Leo, in October, come out of this hermit mode. So what should Leo let go of, spirit? Let go of this feeling. My God, this is like, I'm down, I'm out, I've been stabbed in the back, nothing ever will ever work out for me. This is again that Five of Cups feeling, but with 10 swords in your back. So you have, this is the end of a chapter. There is no 11th here, Leo. There is no 11th sword which is even available in the entire deck. This basically means that you've ended a cycle of pain and sorrow and upset. Now this new chapter is up to you. You can take back power, take back control, pick yourself up, put yourself back on that throne and tackle life one day at a time, one problem at a time, and before you know it, you know, you're back being the lion or the lioness once again. So you let go of this feeling. 10 of Swords. Yes, it's time for celebration. It's time for joy. Now this is the end of a chapter which was, yes, very painful. But what happens after a chapter finishes? You start a brand new chapter and it's going to be very joyous once you take back. You start getting excited about, you know, building yourself back up again. So what can become Leo's biggest blockage, spirit? Indecision. Standing here to, like those, where was that card? The Two of Wands. Standing here and saying, I don't know which direction to go. I don't know whether I should think about the past or the future. I don't know which is the right path for me to follow now. And in thinking of all that, standing there and doing nothing. So if you stay in that path for too long, Leo, this is a card of making a choice. So if you don't make that choice, this if it was upside down, I would say yes, you're going to be making a choice. But the blockage could be if you stay here for too long and don't push yourself to make that choice or decision for yourself. So why will this become a blockage, spirit? This indecision. One more. Yes, because every time you think of taking one baby step forward towards something brand new, and the memories of maybe the past where things never worked out, they will push you down again to say, hey, you're not going to be able to do it anyway. You never got victory in the past regarding whatever you're deciding. Could be love, could be work, could be business. So each time you even think about taking that first step towards victory, memories of the past, of maybe how you didn't accomplish or you lost, keep you in this place of indecision. And that will become a blockage then, Leo. So you have to push yourself now. Embrace life, embrace this brand new beginning which is coming after a very painful end of a chapter. But don't stay in that no man's land before the last and the last chapter and this new beginning. There's always that little platform, right, that bridge to cross. Don't stand at that bridge for too long. That's all I'm saying. So how are people going to be seeing my Leo gang in October, spirit? Knight of Wands. Yes, people are going to be seeing you as energetic, taking action, healing from something, and coming out much stronger. Oh my God, the minute I said stronger. Yes, Leo, this is how people should be seeing you. And I think they will, because you are going to be in this Eight of Pentacles energy where you are, I'm 100% sure, going to start embracing life and moving forward, slow and steady, but very, very steady. Look at this. People are going to see you taking brand new action, excited about life once again, very youthful energy, trying out new things, healing yourself, coming back into balance, Leo, and being so successful. Taking back total control of your own life and others around you, and yes, feeling very secure and stable once again. And that's exactly how I want people to see you in October, Leo. Make sure you don't stand in this place of indecision for too long. Okay? Let's see what Spirit's secret message is for you. So, Spirit, what's your secret message for my Leo gang? Two of Wands again. See, the entire reading we've been talking about this two directions. So Spirit wants to add something to that. Let's see. Spirit, why is your secret message the Two of Wands? Okay. Yes. I love tarot. Okay, so Spirit says, this is your secret message. Yes, we know, we understand that you are scared to choose a direction, but it's time now, Leo, to mend whatever was broken. If you've been feeling upset about whatever pain you've been through, the universe is gifting you a brand new life. Just jump off that cliff into this brand new beginning which is coming for you and embrace life. It's like this card has summed up the entire reading for me. I love it. So, that's all I have for you, Leo. Hope you have a wonderful October. And of course, I'll meet you bi-weekly all the time. So, till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.